Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX is, in my opinion, one of the clearest charts at the moment. We created an impulsive wave structure of the December lows to the $22 level pretty much. We created this expanded flat pattern here, ABC, yeah, which then was a larger A wave. We rallied then again in a B wave and came down in C. This C wave is, in my opinion, nearly over. Could be over already, but I think we get one more low. But either way, I think it's sort of in the last steps to complete this overall correction because it reached our support area. It reached the 50% retracement. That is the key level that I normally want these coins to reach in a wave 2. I can count 5 waves down. Yeah, the 5th wave seems to be an extension. I'm sure you could count that in a different way, but that helps us at the moment. That's valid. I think we might have done the wave 4 or are still working on it and would then come down in a last wave down. It could still, if it wants to come down to the 1488 level, absolutely no problem. That would be the golden ratio. So I would actually expect that if it makes one more low. But yeah, we've reached the support area and we just need to wait now for the price to reverse. I can also calculate here the length of wave A, and if I compare that to the length of the C wave, we've got some Fib confluence at that 1488 level. It is the 1.38 Fib extension, and a typical Fibonacci extension is also the 1.618 extension. That would be at 1372, and then we've got the 1.786 extension at basically $13, where we also have the 78.6 retracement level. Now, the reason I highlight this is that we have a lot of Fibonacci targets, extension targets, and support zones in this area. Therefore, I see this as a very, very strong area of support, which is also why I decided to get some AVAX a few days ago. Okay, so I intend to buy a little more if it comes down deeper into this support area, but it's not a guarantee. Therefore, I bought around the 50% retracement here, because for me it's like, you know, if this gets bought up quite quickly and we do indeed rally here to the upside, I mean, the potential in the third wave, if it works out, it would take us, I mean, depending on how low we really go, but possibly, well, above $30, right? So it's an amazing reward to risk ratio here. We shouldn't forget that this could still just be an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. You know, that we don't get a third wave, but this will be a C wave. From a trading point of view, it doesn't make a great difference. We just need to make sure that we might not, that we don't want to, you know, we shouldn't try to squeeze out every little bit of profit out of the trade. So it could very well be possible to take some partial profits possibly along the way, because the difference between them is if I have a 1, 2, 3, then I should get a 4 and a 5. But if it's an ABC pattern after the C wave, it might make a new low. So from that point of view, it might be worth strategically to at least take some partial profits towards the end of the third wave or the C wave, depending on what it's going to be. We won't really know that beforehand. So just consider that. And I will, of course, point out when I intend to take profits. But yeah, for now I'm watching, is this move down over, or do we come down a little lower? As I said, I wouldn't be surprised if it now turns around, but also looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, looking at some of the other coins, ideally it comes down, makes one more low. 1488 would be ideal. To max it out, it could come down to 1299. Below that level, this entire setup will get very unlikely, because as always, below the 78.6 Fib level, those 1-2 setups, 9 from 10 don't work out. So I always have to add that, not that everybody's aping in here without any risk management, right? So you need to be very much aware that, of course, these setups can fail, but we've been waiting with long positions or buy orders until we were in this area for a good reason, because here reward to risk is good. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of people bought whatever already here, or I don't know, you know, but this is, in my opinion, the ideal area. Obviously, the lower we go, the better. But then the condition is it needs to hold 1299. Okay, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.